country's, not destruction, but it is just, you used to be able to count on things. There used to be institutions that were reliable. You trusted the people in them. You trusted when they came out and said something, especially if they were focused on public safety. And now that trust, it just isn't there. And the answer, the reason why, is not that complicated. It is liberal political corruption of these institutions that has led to all this. Now you've got people questioning what they hear about it. Like for example, the left is serious about defunding police departments, but yet there's a poll out that shows most people don't think that's what they really mean. They do mean it. They sure as in Clearwater, Florida, they're going to get rid of the cops, and they're going to replace cops with social work. Clearwater, Florida. Or is it St. Pete? I'll find it in a minute. But people don't believe that the left is serious about defunding the cops. This is a Monmouth University poll found only 18% of Americans believe the left in these Democrat cities and states who say defund the police actually means defund the police. Well, they are terribly mistaken. The anti-police are not shy about it. Black Lives Matter says on its website it wants to defund the police to invest in communities. They're dead serious about defunding the police and replacing the police with themselves, social workers or what have you. Here's Seattle. Look at this. Seattle cutting the police budget by half. Seattle City Council now supports defunding the Seattle Police Department by 50% and sending that money to the community, whatever that is. That's community organized. Black Lives Matter is going to get the money. It includes free housing and other economic benefits to minorities, which is already happening. Let me find this real quick. It is St. Petersburg. Okay, St. Petersburg is now, they're going to defund or close the cops and replace them with social workers. Yeah, here it is. Now, we've talked about this. We've talked about how many cities and towns are planning to send social workers to respond to non-violent emergency calls instead of the cops. And I have told you, I have warned everybody that this is a way for the left to infiltrate normally